In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT by Apple Pay. So if you love to buy USDT with your Apple Pay, I'm going to show you what you need to do. This video is only for educational purposes only. So go to your MetaMask. This is the one I use. Tap on the buy. Tap on buy crypto with cash. So wait for it to load up. So come on here, type in USDT. So I want to buy USDT. So there are different options here: USDT, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon. So I think the one that is easier, I think the USDT BIP20 is easier. So I'm going to just tap on this. So let me see, okay, if you're currently in the United States, you're going to be able to see different options you get. So let me say I want to buy, let me say just 100, tap on done. So you need to tap on this update payment method. You need to select the Apple Pay. So there's the Venmo, there's the Apple Pay, there's the PayPal, there's the Revolut Pay. So you're going to just tap on this Apple Pay, you get. So you need to come on here, get quotes, and complete your transaction. So it's very straightforward. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.